In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from Pipedrive. Downloading your data is a simple way to create a backup, run your own analysis, or share records with teammates who don't use Pipedrive. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll point out a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open Pipedrive in your web browser. Once you're in your account and looking at the main interface, you're ready to start. This process works from the global navigation, so you don't have to be on a specific deals or contacts page. Next, look along the top navigation bar for the More menu. It appears as an icon with three dots, often near other global controls. Click the three dots to expand additional options. If you have a smaller screen or a lot of menu items, you might need to resize your window or scroll horizontally to see it clearly. This menu collects tools that aren't always in the primary view, and export is one of them. From the menu that appears, click Export Data. This takes you to Pipedrive's export area, where the platform prepares a downloadable file with your information. You don't need to adjust anything else for a basic full export. Simply proceed with the default options available on this page. On the export page, click Export. That's the action that triggers the data collection. After you click, Pipedrive begins preparing your file in the background. The time this takes can vary based on how much data your account holds, so give it a moment. Keep the tab open while it processes. When it's ready, your browser should either start the download automatically or prompt you to choose a save location. If your browser asks where to store the file, pick a folder you can easily find later, such as your downloads or a dedicated folder for Pipedrive exports. If nothing seems to happen after a short wait, check your browser's download tray and make sure pop-ups and downloads from Pipedrive are allowed. Once the file appears on your computer, you're done with the export. If you plan to analyze or share the data, consider working on a copy so you preserve the original download. For security, store exports in a trusted location and delete them when they're no longer needed. And that's the full process. Go to Pipedrive, open the More menu with the three dots, choose Export Data, and click Export. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently download your data whenever you need it.